For how long?
I don't know. You better get to it. Oh, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
don't quantify. They say you can't from a radical materialistic scientific worldview, they say that you can't quantify these phenomena, right? So metaphysics get into this. Mind, what
The interview show. I don't know if that's cool with you. I could go away.
That place.
There was a little hamburger stand a couple blocks down that closed a couple years ago that really made me sad.
I don't really have anything to do with books in general, you know?
No, I've seen that. I can gather that myself.
Fresh and beautiful, and I'm glowing. I'm glowing like Naomi Campbell at 86.
Wives, can someone give me a little? I'm gonna do a little tap.
Morality plays. How to live their life. You know, honey.
Have you had a meal today, Brad? You seem a little low on the blood sugar.
No, I haven't. I'm not a breakfast person.
extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to?
It's my show, but I'm never there.
killing it.